Crypto addiction starts innocently. Perhaps a friend has mentioned success with cryptocurrency investing or trading. Or you hear about it on a podcast or read about it on Reddit. You're drawn in, but maybe you're not all in at first. You obtain a few beginner-friendly cryptocurrency apps like Gemini or Femex. You spend some time on Robinhood researching different options. You engage in a few minor transactions. Then you do even more. You're hooked now, most likely because you made your first profit. Soon you're seeing why buying and trading cryptocurrency has become so popular. This is entertaining. You start seeing it as the real deal. Adrenaline is racing through your veins. You lose sleep, lose appetite, and may even begin to lose money. But you continue. You, like any true addict, believe you don't really need to stop or that you can't stop. Addiction to cryptocurrency is, at its core, a gambling addiction. The pathological obsession and compulsion to buy and sell cryptocurrency, as well as the uncontrollable desire to constantly check price action or update oneself on crypto-related news in preparation for a trade, is referred to as crypto addiction. Crypto addiction is fundamentally similar to gambling addiction. While cryptocurrency addiction is relatively new in the last decade, it is simply gambling addiction. This is good news because we have a lot of resources to understand and treat gambling addiction, which is one of the oldest addictions in the book. However, the bad news is that gambling addictions are frequently not taken as seriously as they should be, resulting in the highest number of all addiction-related suicides per year, according to recent studies. So what makes cryptocurrency so appealing? In and of itself, cryptocurrency is not addictive. However, this can all change when our brain is involved. Crypto addiction, like all addictions, originates in the brain. When the price of Bitcoin rises due to its volatility, the individual in an open trade experiences a rush of dopamine, resulting in a pleasant feeling. Individuals who become addicted to crypto trading become dependent on trading to provide pleasure in their lives over time. Because assets are available all day, every day, and all night, every night, cryptocurrency is uniquely addictive. Crypto assets trade around the clock. As a result, you can always get a real-time view of your portfolio holdings, which may fluctuate dramatically because crypto is a young, volatile asset class. This is exacerbated by apps pushing notifications, so you won't even have to log in to access engaging content that is continuously served up on platforms like YouTube. Furthermore, cryptocurrency price activity is always flooding media of all kinds, necessitating a very disciplined effort to avoid looking at things that may affect your investments. It's exciting to watch your holdings increase in value, just like buying stocks or any other asset class. And it's even more exciting when it happens quickly. So it's human nature to want a dopamine rush when the market goes your way. But how do you keep from falling down the rabbit hole? Well, it's all too easy to say, that will never be me. I'll never lose control of myself. Perhaps you're correct. But there's no way of knowing whether your brain will react negatively to something inherently addictive. It is critical to remain vigilant and actively guard against falling down the rabbit hole of crypto addiction. You can't predict whether an addiction will develop, so you can't plan a strategy to avoid one. But you can be on the lookout for warning signs that something isn't right. So guys, let's look at some of the warning signs that show that you have a crypto addiction problem. When you become preoccupied with crypto trading daily to the point where your thoughts of trading intrude into other life activities and responsibilities, this is a sign of addiction. Another indicator is chasing, which happens when investors continue to pour money into the market in the hope of recouping their losses. More rational traders exercise caution, diversify their investments, or invest only what they can afford to lose. However, someone who is gambling on cryptos might likely lose all this money, and then, when they see there's no other way to get back. But cryptocurrency is about to take off again. They'll pour some more money into it for recovery, and might end up regretting it once again. They are sometimes satisfied when all their money is gone because then they have that same feeling as that cocaine addict when the coke is gone, and they think, okay, finally I can go to sleep. This is why cryptocurrency traders struggle to cash out. Spending more time trading crypto, checking charts, or conducting crypto-related research are some other signs of crypto addiction. Attempts to stop trading have been unsuccessful. increasing your risk without a good strategy, or finding yourself making larger investments to achieve the same level of pleasure. Loss of enthusiasm for other activities and relationships. As a result of trading or being unable to trade, you may experience stress, depression, anxiety, mood swings, irritability, insomnia, or other unwanted and unhealthy mental health symptoms. Continuing to trade despite negative consequences to one's financial stability, relationships, career, mental or physical health, or other important aspects of one's life. So how do you get rid of this addiction? Well, recognizing the problem and expressing a desire to stop are the first steps toward overcoming a crypto addiction. There are many steps one can take to overcome a crypto addiction if they are aware of the problem and willing to change. What works depends on the individual and the severity of the situation. Most of the time, family members notice the problem while the addict remains in denial. To avoid relapse, I recommend complete abstinence from crypto trading, as is the case with substance addiction treatment. In fact, if you want to avoid becoming addicted to cryptocurrency trading, sell what you have and don't get back into it. Crypto trading, on the other hand, is not inherently addictive. So just because a random person begins trading does not imply that they will become addicted. Those who have had traumatic experiences, a family history of addiction, depression, or those who are easily stressed to the point of burnout should exercise caution. They are more prone to becoming addicted to these positive chemicals in the brain like dopamine than to the volatility of actually investing in the crypto market, especially when they win. Those who have a pervasive crypto addiction, or who have made unsuccessful attempts to stop or moderate their use on their own, may require the assistance of an addiction specialist. Instead of professional assistance, some people may benefit from self-help groups like Gamblers Anonymous or Smart Recovery. Also, you should take practical steps to distance yourself from cryptocurrency activities by deleting cryptocurrency-related apps and websites from digital devices. You can also ask a trusted loved one who is aware of your problem to keep an eye on your finances. It's also critical to engage in other natural and healthy sources of pleasure, like re-engaging in hobbies and activities you enjoyed before addiction or try new ones, exercising, going out in nature, socializing with friends and family, and other such pleasurable behaviors that will help ward off boredom and trading thoughts. Anyways guys, this wraps up our video for today. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day.